Hi guys, just to give you an update on seed germination. The ones you're looking at now are cucumber plants. As you can see, they've really come on. Sorry about the bright sunlight, but it is a south facing window and that's why I think they always come on. These tomatoes have really gone mad. I don't know how you pronounce that, the wife most likely would do. We actually, let's see, when did she plant these? She didn't put the date on that one. They were all done the same time anyway. I'll soon find out a date for you. The bumblebee ones, which I don't know whether you can see, let's take them out. Let's pop them in the sunlight again a minute. See the smaller little ones coming up? These are well in front, but we've got another little one there. You can see him? Let's see, there he is. And another little one there. So out of that lot, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 large ones and 3 smaller ones coming up. Now, oh, sorry, no, there's one more. There he is. I'll zoom into him. I'll use the zoom one day. There we go. He's poking his head up, so we got 4 of the bumblebees coming up a little bit later. And these were done on the 27th of the 2nd. All of them. All of the plants I'll be showing you, or seedlings I should say, that I'll be showing you now, were done on the 27th. Yeah, and these again. Let's bring these over. Let's pop them into the shade a bit. You can give in, that's better. Yeah, there we go. And then which ones are these? Let's have a look. Crimson Crush. That's what those are. They're all looking good, nice and healthy. Whoops-a-daisy. Sorry about that, folks. I slipped. Yeah, they all tend to bend towards the sunshine and everything. Let's move them back. And these as well. We've only had 2 failures on the cucumbers, as you can see to the right there. Let's just move these back over here in the sunshine. And yeah, there we go. 27th of the 2nd they were done. Marmandi, these are. Marmandi, there we go. The make of them. They all love that window. It's an absolute beauty. And we've got one little one coming up there poking his head, and another one in there. So the missus is going to have to be very, very careful on actually transferring these into the larger pots. And yes, or rather her than me. Let's just take one of these out. What make is this one? She did put it on. There we go. LA Dark or LA Diva. Sorry, LA Diva. These are called. We've only had 2 of them. So yes, they're coming on nicely. The wife is going to have to, like I said, transfer these. But as you can see, it's a beautiful spot. They all love it there. So yes, that's our main propagating area. So I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Right, I've just been informed by the missus that the onions and the shallots, it's way too early to put them out, even though they've got the good root system on them they have. I am putting together a cold frame. Once the gentleman brings me some more of his nice pallets, I can finish that off and move them on. These are the cabbage Janel Collie you've been transferring.
Savoy cabbage.
Savoy cabbage. She's been transferring. We have spinach there.
Yep.
Which are all coming on nicely. And what we got in there, John?
Some red onions, some red barons.
Red barons, which a lot of folks have a lot of problems with starting off. They're slowly coming on, as you can see. But yes, they're coming on nicely.
They tend to bolt.
Do they? They tend to bolt. Oh right. What do we have over in that one, John?
There's just spring onions. They're just
starting to poke through.
We've The spring onions are starting to come up, but with basil and all the garlic chives have germinated, so
Yeah.
only a couple, so I'll reset them again.
Okay.
So that's that.
Righto.
We can get them reset.
I'll just go down on one knee. Oh, and she's going to show us her links. Here we go. The little fellas. There they are. All in there. Going on nicely. These polystyrene boxes I get from our local supermarket, they really keep them nice and warm and help to germinate, I think. But right, I'll just go down. I'll leave you with the leeks. I'll just go down on one knee and show you the onions underneath. There they are. They are really sprouting nicely. It's a little bit warm in here, but that cold frame will do its job. Is that that's the other stuff you've been transferring this morning, isn't it, Jan?
Yes, that's golden egg cabbage.
Golden egg cabbage, yeah.
That's the Ironman calabrese.
Calabrese, right.
Or broccoli, whichever way you want to say. So that's all your main cauliflower at the bottom.
All your and collies, they are looking good.
And the parsnips are just starting to germinate.
And the parsnips, we have got growth germination on them. So they're slowly coming on. But this is a little bit of an idea we had for helping to insulate them. And once they're taken out of these, we can put this stuff into our compost. So it has a dual purpose. So yeah, she's been really busy this morning, as you can see her. She's been doing those things. It's only just a little update because it's so, it looks lovely out there, but it is bitter cold. It is really bitter cold. It's lovely blue sky, fluffy white clouds, and freezing. So from Bookends Allotments, it's only a little short video. We like to thank all our subscribers and our new ones as well when they join. So from myself and Jan, it's bye bye for now.
Bye bye for now, thank you.